In this video, I'll guide you on how to choose the best cryptocurrency trading software for your individual needs. Ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of crypto trading software out there? Unsure which one offers the features you need to confidently navigate the exciting world of digital currencies? Imagine having a trading software that makes buying, selling, and managing your crypto assets a breeze, all while knowing your investments are safe and sound. Hello, and welcome to the Crypto Owl Prof channel, where we explore the latest in digital finance and cryptocurrency. Today, we'll explore the ins and outs of crypto trading software and what factors are crucial in choosing the best platform for you. So, let's get right into it. What exactly is cryptocurrency trading software? It's essentially your gateway to the crypto market, providing the tools you need to buy, sell, and trade digital currencies efficiently and securely. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting you to various cryptocurrency exchanges where you can execute your trades. Now, let's talk about the different types of exchanges you'll encounter. Centralized exchanges. Think of these as the big players in the crypto world. They offer a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features, and high liquidity, making it easier to buy and sell assets quickly. Examples include popular platforms like Binance and Bybit. CEXs require you to trust them with your funds. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. These exchanges operate without a central authority, offering greater privacy and security. You trade directly from your own crypto wallet, minimizing the risk of hacks and breaches. DEXs may have lower liquidity and fewer trading options compared to centralized exchanges. Peer-to-peer exchanges. These platforms connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing for more flexibility in terms of payment methods and trading terms. They often use escrow services to reduce risks. Local Bitcoins is a popular example. Essential trading software features. When choosing your trading software, keep these key features in mind. User-friendly interface. A best crypto software for beginners should have a clear and intuitive interface that simplifies navigating the platform and executing trades easy. Real-time data analysis. You need access to real-time data feeds, charts, and market depth to make informed decisions. Security protocols. Robust security measures are non-negotiable. Features like two-factor authentication, encryption, cold storage, and biometric login are essential for protecting your funds. Customer support. Responsive customer support is crucial for resolving any technical issues or answering your questions promptly. To take your trading to the next level, also look out for advanced trading features like real-time market data, price alerts and signals, technical analysis, indicators and charting tools, and trading diaries for detailed record of your trades. When it comes to exchanges, understanding fees and limits is crucial. Trading fees. These are typically a percentage of each trade you make. Lower fees can add up to significant savings over time, especially if you're a frequent trader. Withdrawal limits fees. Exchanges have different limits and fees for withdrawing your funds. Some platforms may offer free withdrawals for specific cryptocurrencies or account levels. Let's compare some of the top cryptocurrency exchanges to get a better idea. Binance offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, high liquidity, and advanced trading features. Bybit, known for its user-friendly interface, margin trading options, and competitive fees. OKX provides a diverse range of trading pairs, derivatives products, and a robust mobile app. Coinbase Pro, a popular choice for beginners, offering a user-friendly interface and a good selection of cryptocurrencies. KuCoin, known for its wide selection of altcoins, margin trading options, and low fees. Choosing a crypto trading software platform. Ultimately, the best crypto trading software for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider factors like: how much will you be paying? Does the platform have strong security protocols? Does the platform offer the advanced tools and features you need? Is the platform easy to use and navigate? Choosing the right cryptocurrency trading software can make a significant difference in your trading journey. Take your time, research the different options, and select a platform that aligns with your goals and provides the features you need to succeed. While crypto trading software require user interaction and can be limited in speed, there is something else that can work without your presence. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency 24/7 automatically, then check out this video about cryptocurrency trading bots right here.